Hey guys, it's Heather. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a huge declutter of my entire house. Aside from like my closets, I'm going to do that in a separate video, like clothing and stuff like that. Now that it is the end of the summer and the start of fall, I just kind of want to get a fresh start, get everything in my house in order and back to a baseline. I just want to go through everything and kind of take inventory on everything in my house, see what I'm still using, see what we maybe no longer need or that we can donate or pass on. So I'm just gonna be going through pretty much my entire house and take you guys with me. So let's go. Okay, so I'm starting in the playroom today. I just wanna kind of get through this because this one is always the most challenging for me. I'm just kind of going through and making sure that there isn't any like garbage or items that she's no longer playing with. Things that are broken, stuff like that. Now, this little baby mat that my daughter used when she was little, we're obviously not using it anymore. I think I'm gonna pass it on to a friend that is having a little girl. My little guy is gonna be coming very soon, and I picked out a different new one for him in different colors. So I'm just gonna be passing that on. Now, this little piece of furniture is great for keeping things very organized, and I do my best to try to sort everything by like categories, and it's really helped. So I can just kind of go in, take inventory, see what's in there, see what needs to get, thrown out or could be donated, especially the stuffed animals. They really tend to add up. So yeah, I will link to this piece of furniture if I can still find it down below in case you're interested. So the playroom is done, and I am going to move on to the rest of my house, starting in the pantry where I store like all my decor way in the back, and then in the front there's like the food items and stuff like that. So I'm just going through and pulling out all the items that we're just really no longer using so that I can go ahead and donate or pass on. And then with the food, I like to go through and see what's expired, see what's just old, and just set that aside. Now, does anyone else have like these little pieces of furniture that just tend to be catch-alls? In the summer, we were keeping like all the sunscreen and just like a backpack to quickly leave the house. And I'm just making sure that nothing is expired, and then just going through my candle stash. I have a couple in there that just don't really burn well. They don't have good throws, and it's just time for me to go ahead and let go of them so I can get to the ones that I really do enjoy. I keep all my coupons in this little wicker basket. It works out really nice. But the problem is that if you don't go through the coupons like every month, they just stack up and they expire. They're ones that you're just never going to use. So I like to kind of go through, make sure they're nice and organized, group them together into like categories. Like I'll do like all my food shopping stuff, food separate, and then like shopping stuff like that. And that works out really nicely. So the upstairs was in really good condition. Like I had mentioned earlier, I'm gonna do all the closets separately, but I just had some pillows and some other donation items, like some decor we're not using. So here's how I made out. I got a bunch of stuff from the playroom. Some of this stuff is just that my daughter's no longer using anymore, or she has duplicates of, so I'll probably just be donating those items. And then other stuff like balloons and stuff like that is just obviously garbage, but it was good to kind of go through there and take out some toys that I can go ahead and donate. Then I went through some of my holiday decor, and these items I'm just gonna go ahead and pass on. We're just really not using them. I got an exercise band that, again, we're not using. I have a curtain rod, really good condition, just doesn't fit on our windows. And some other decor that I'm just not using in the house. I'm gonna go ahead and pass on and see if someone else wants it. And then just some sunglasses that my daughter no longer fits in, and then a pair that I'm really not reaching for because I have too many, so it's time to let go of a couple. And then these are just the items that I had expired in my medicine cabinet and then in my pantry. And then we had a couple of lunch bags that we don't need, 5 or 6 lunch bags. So I got rid of a couple of those, and as well as sippy cups. These ones just aren't in the best condition. And then just some stuff from my junk drawer. And then I had duplicates of strainers and too many pans, and then some dish towels that were just kind of beat up, and I have other ones. So yeah, that is everything. So that is everything for today's declutter. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.